guys, follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So the first common mistake we do is we do not hydrate the area and the skin around our eyes, and a dried skin around the eyes make us look old and makes the skin appear mature. Forgetting to apply a primer on the eyelid is again a crime, because a primer will help your eye makeup stay for longer hours. Let's understand the common mistake we do while we're doing this step. We all highlight our lid area and under eyes with a lighter concealer. So जब हम ये concealer blend करेंगे, हमें simultaneously उसको powder से bake करना है, otherwise they'll be creasing. So if you want to avoid that, तो simultaneously without any gap आप पाउडर वाला ब्लेंडर भी रेडी रखिए. So if you see, मैंने ये ब्लेंड करा, and अभी इसके बाद immediately I'll change my blender and I'll bake the eyes. Another important trick is do not powder the lid area if you're using a powder eyeshadow. So if your base is creamy, your concealer is creamy, so अगर आप उसमें पाउडर नहीं लगाएंगे तो आपका जो powdered eyeshadow है, it will definitely look much better. So definitely try this out when you do your eye makeup next. So no powder on the lids. अब अगर आप मेरी तरह फाउंडेशन के बाद आई मेकअप कर रहे हैं, सो जस्ट पुट सम लूज पाउडर सो दैट देर इज़ नो फॉल आउट. एंड नाउ कैन यू सी, मैंने पाउडर नहीं लगाया तो उसका पे ऑफ कितना अच्छा आया है. दिस वे यू विल सेव अ लॉट ऑफ योर आई शैडो प्रोडक्ट एंड टाइम एज वेल, बिकॉज यू विल नीड लेसर स्ट्रोक फॉर दैट कलर टू पॉप आउट. Another mistake we do is we do not tight line. आप eyeliner मत लगाइए अगर आपको नहीं लगाना है, but definitely tight line your eyes. Another important thing that we ignore is an eyelash curler. It will help you open up your eyes. And then it's very important to, highlight your brow bone and inner corner of the eyes, even if you're doing a matte look. So here I have done a matte smoky purple eye. These small steps will definitely make a difference in your eye game. And the last mistake we might do is not emphasizing enough on the importance of a mascara. So at least apply 2 coats of mascara, and trust me, it will change your eye game. It's the most important part of your eye makeup. A good amount of mascara. So this one is a waterproof mascara from Kiko Milano. And we're ready. Do let me know in the comment section below if you were committing any of these mistakes, and also let me know your favorite hack that you personally use in your day-to-day life. See you in the next video.